Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Learn Basics. Are you ready for today's learning adventure?
Yes!
Alright, let's learn. 3-letter blending. Let's start. K E D K E D K E D Kid Kid P E G P E G P E G Pig Pig H E H E H E Him Him B E B E B E Bin Bin D E P D E P D E P Dip Dip S E T S E T S E T Sit Sit K E T K E T K E T Kit Kit S E X S E X S E X Six Six Let's read the words together. Kid Pig Him Bin Sit Kit Six Okay, please try to read the words yourself. Are you ready? Good job! Thanks for learning with me today. Please watch and subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with the fun time learning adventures. See you later!